Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Welcome back to our channel, and today we will show you how we face paint
Minnie Mouse.
Minnie Mouse. We did one video before when Adriana was 2 years old, and today we will show you a little bit different design. I like to start with the cheeks. I'm using makeup sponge for the cheeks, and this is a tag. For Minnie Mouse bow, we are going to use pink. Next will be black. So we're going to draw the ears. Goes like this and goes around. Okay, so little lines here. Our Minnie Mouse has eyelashes. Let's do eyelash on the other side. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 4. Okay, I smudged a little. I'm going to fix it. The Q-tip, chin up please. Alright, easy fix. Some dots for our bow. I like to add a little highlights at the end, here and here. And then let's add some blink on the cheeks. Okay, let's paint the black nose. Oh, how cute! Let's add some glitter. Close your eyes, please. To the nose. One. Okay, like that, a little bit. And then lipstick. And let's add some shiny glitter. Which one would you like, Adriana?
Pink.
Let's add it on the cheekbone under the eyes. Adriana?
I already have a little.
You do? Alright, what do you think? Do you like it? If you like this video, please give us thumbs up.
And subscribe.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.